to our channel. Today we bring you a super easy recipe that it's ready in less than 15 minutes. Today we are gonna make salpicón de marisco. We are gonna make it with octopus that I have in the freezer from another video. You can check right here. And also some prawns, mussels and surimi. But you can modify the ingredients and use the ingredients that you like the most. So let's get started with the ingredients.
For this recipe, you can use the seafood that you like the most. I will use octopus, surimi, prawns and mussels. The vegetables that we need are tomato, onion, green pepper and red pepper. I don't give you the amounts because I don't have an exactly amount of each ingredients. I try more or less to use the same amount of each. Chop the surimi, chop the prawns. I have bought them fresh and I have cooked them in boiling water for a few minutes. I chop the big mussels, but you can also add them whole. Now we chop all the vegetables very finely. The peppers, the onion and the tomato. I remove the seeds, but you can leave them because it gives a lot of flavor. Mix all the vegetables well and put them together with the seafood. Now we only have to add a good amount of olive oil and salt. Mix well and taste. And it's ready. It's easy, right? I encourage you to prepare it.
So guys, I hope you have enjoyed so much this salpicón de marisco. It's so good. So fresh. As you can see, it's just chop the vegetables and it's ready. And also you can use the ingredients that you like the most. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you are not a subscriber yet, you can subscribe right here and also you can activate the bell. So we will see you the next Wednesday in the next video. Bye bye!